Okay, so today we're going to talk a little bit about the springs on these BURCO axle clutches. We're rebuilding the old ones that were produced back in the mid 80s here, so we're constantly trying to figure out how to make them better. Because they were great in the day, but they're even better today as a result of some of our improvements, I should say. So one of the things we like to look for that I've discovered over time is I've checked, by the spring, these two large springs here kind of control how hard the clutch hits or how soft, and you can change where the stall comes in at in minor adjustments. So we're going to look at what the spring does. So I've set this spring up at a installed height that would normally be a compressed number. So we're at 40 pounds here on this one. This is why we do this. I'm going to show you the difference. Here's another spring. I'm going to compress it to the same height, and it's at 50 pounds. And this little stopper here tells me where to stop. So we can find and blueprint the best spring action, so it's repeatable all the time. So when a customer gets it, it's already, we know that everything's going to be right. Now watch this spring. This one's at 90 pounds. So this would definitely change the characteristics of the clutch. We're going to grab another random spring here. This is at about 48. It's close to 50. All right. So what we do is we pair them all up so that, and we reject some. If it's below 40 pounds, I reject them. And we replace them with ones that we've tested that know are good. Here's another one, 48. So there it is. That's what we do. And we're about to build another one, another 2-disc for somebody. And we have the super clutch. These are kind of one of a kind, the prototypes that we're building. The super clutch is, we'd like to see it take at least 80 horsepower per side. So we're talking about a go-kart that's going to potentially could have 160 horsepower. These are going on a twin. Currently it has about 45 horsepower piece. So we're going to upgrade some motors and see what we can do next.